COVID-19 pandemic and the accompanying increase in the usage of mobile devices has forced almost every company around the world to analyze their app development. According to Forbes in Q1 and Q2 of 2020, users spent $50.1 billion in app stores, more than 23% higher than the first half of 2019. In addition, first-time app installs increased 26.1% year-over-year in 2020. When developing their apps, businesses must choose the right type of mobile application for their business. This decision usually comes down to hybrid versus native. Most of the popular apps in the world fall into these two categories. There are many pros and cons to hybrid versus native app development. If you are trying to decide which is best for your company, please schedule a call with us at Solwey so we can help you make this difficult decision.